In this video, we will explain how GridMarX installation guide marks can be used to provide a faster, more accurate installation in commercial construction. First, it all starts with the X. Grid marks are X's printed on the field surface and guide marks along the taper of all 4-foot wide gypsum board products manufactured by Gold Bond Building Products. Grid marks act as a guide to help installers identify framing locations and make accurate cuts without having to pencil in or snap chalk lines. They run along the board lengthwise every 4 inches along both edges, at 16 inches from each edge, and down the center, 24 inches from each edge. Grid marks are visible even in low light conditions of the typical job site, yet cover easily with no bleed through using standard paint products. In addition to saving your business installation time, using grid marks can reduce the learning curve for new installers or apprentices. After establishing grid marks as a cornerstone innovation, we simplified the industry standard fastener pattern, resulting in MaX 12 using grid marks. MaX 12 is the industry's first 12-inch on-center optimized fastener pattern for single-layer 1-hour UL fire-rated assemblies with metal framing spaced 24 inches on center. Building on the success of MaX 12, we created MaX 16. It is the industry's only 16-inch on-center optimized fastener pattern for single-layer 1-hour UL fire-rated assemblies with metal framing spaced 16 inches on center. The MaX 12 and MaX 16 fastener patterns can both be used vertically or horizontally to make installation simple and save time, material, and labor. Vertical application demonstration. Grid marks help identify the exact location of framing members spaced 16 inches and 24 inches on center behind the gypsum board, eliminating the need for field-applied vertical lines. When installing gypsum board using the MaX 12 or MaX 16 fastener pattern, you can quickly identify stud and screw placement locations. When utilizing MaX 12, place fasteners along each framing member spaced 12 inches apart, or every third X mark along the framing member. When utilizing MaX 16, place fasteners along each framing member spaced 16 inches apart or along every 4th X or mark along the framing member. To calculate your potential savings, using the powerful combination of MaX 12 or MaX 16 with grid marks, visit GridMarX.com. MaX 12 and MaX 16 with grid marks, fastener patterns that improve on the industry standard to help you save time, materials, and achieve smoother inspections. Utilize now on all 4-foot wide gypsum panels manufactured by Gold Bond Building Products.